The Khasi Students' Union East Janta Hills District Unit on Tuesday submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police of East Janta Hills raising serious concerns over alleged irregularities witnessed during public hearings linked to mining projects in the district. The student body alleged that the use of boulders, felled trees and deep trenches to obstruct access roads and prevent residents from attending public hearings was illegal and amounted to a blatant violation of democratic norms. It asserted that such actions defeat the very objective of a public hearing, reducing it to a mere formality rather than a transparent and participatory exercise. Referring to the public hearing scheduled on the 31st of July 2026 for the proposed limestone mining project of Shree cement at Lom Sarman Shnongrim under Ilaka Nongkhle, the KSU urged upon the district administration and the police to ensure a free, fair and unhindered hearing. The union cautioned that if incidents similar to those reported during the earlier hearing on the proposed cement plant and the recent limestone mining project are repeated, it will be compelled to launch a stronger democratic agitation. The KSU also questioned the notification issued by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, pointing out that it allegedly omitted a reference number and scheduled the hearing at 8 a.m. instead of during normal office hours. Describing the move as highly unusual, the union said the notification has raised suspicion over the transparency and intent behind the hearing process. Reaffirming its stand, the KSU said it will continue to stand shoulder to shoulder with the people of Ilaka Sutanga, Shnongrim and Ilaka Nongkhle to safeguard public interest and ensure that the public hearing is conducted in a transparent, lawful and democratic manner.
Mentagasi karo pratrik mentau benai naitung arpo arpenrung menengi layu abani kenduk nongkong yau Deputy Commissioner jang keristik jangi berkunjuk mentang layu abang ban idang suyu abani kenduk yau SP jang ka district de kajing kenduk jangi kalong halor pa nilai kini ka jingtho cabur art ni ki officer nadu udisi bat SP kajing tho kalong kajing de bat ka tu ka public hearing kebala depan pena da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kebala bu trik ban pulong ka live trik mentau manai please ni thotding te kai ka comments le ka jing kan tho anak liang jing kum ka KSU ka jing tho ak bai ai sau SP ba sau DC kalong ba kumba ini la sikhi pai ba la sikhi ba tu ka last public hearing kebari ka ju ni ka propose mining project untuk hapo Lom Sarman kebari ka ceka ba hap hapo ka Snorim tilka Nongkhle te kai ka baji hang tu yo iba tang supo hang tu halat tong sang Nongkhle yo i ba la bo rai kali ki nakan ring ka pengkyang ki bo kali ki thang kali nong ta ki bo ra ki mau ba ba ki kalam da ki ding te kum kitu ke boro ingim la banong ba ka public hearing kana ka ka jing the bomb ide stia bat ka ain te ingim kwa ban jia kum kitu ni kwa ba boro ki ba pasha ki ba karshan ki de ban ni poilang te hapo hak te hapo pandal ban pen pau ke ka jing snyo ba pasha ba ke ba karshan tel ra ki le kum ne ingim la banong ba kana ka public hearing nila ong kede ketang ka personal public hearing nila banong te kajing dawa jung ni na office jong DC office jong SP kalong ba nakalang jong kini ki office kede ban tek lekam kum kini ki jinja hindi syu ban syak kawang mau kuma kene ka last public hearing barong ni syak kawang mau te kene ka bang himla ban priang te la dajia ke krasi life putrik ban kuba pentut ban kawang mau ni bang sing ha balik sagaan ban ujo sakanya ka jinga ki ta ka daung ni kerpam yang DC ni kerpar SP prinsip kya ban pe ya kene ka law and order nang ba kanam jesu kene ka jinja kesa ka we pat ka bang kum kasing skio ban pau ji siong longo ba pi ha tu ka notification bala pemi da pollution board kamdon setia ka tu ka wat tang ka reference number ka tarik ro mana kene kelas public hearing yo iba ka biang ka tu ka notification ti mantapat yo khongpong ba kamdon wat ka reference number ses kebut nang taru yo iba kajing pelong ke public hearing kalong pra baje mustap te balai kim la ban pelong king ha ki kenta betri sinte ke saudara mo office work te kene ke jing pelong pra baje mesti te iron ke jing subah kini bajor ba kumu ki pelong pra baje mesti te kemut dan sih ke jang yo le se dan ki he sarkar le ki nomi khmat jing ki badan tilang mi barga mereka lemar balik ki mi pra baje mesti ke jing bo la reisha ke bohok ya lanti ke bade pelong king kumba por trekam office te kana ni subah ba ka kamla ban de don si ke te longkat pelong te ke sini ni mi berpoi ke jisnyo ji berpoi ke jing persya namar bah pempong ne don sibun yo se ki pai ba ki bang balik ki isu ke persya ke development balik ki isu ke persya ke bisni na ya ke jingku na ke jingyo development ki be kisno ngandai ni khamdan kum kata kum sing abang ni persya ni don pada ko ke plan da ko ke jimut kumno ban trelang kumno ban ajimut lam ban mora da ki pat ki development om da ki development penjat ni kemarin tu kumong meneh ka ilkanun kle di ka pona mah kamrang pat kumju pona mah kan kura ni nak liang jing kwa ban penek pensa ikte kan kura jing tenat buka pensa ke jing tenat jang kemarin te ni kwa ban penek pensa ya karep keriang bakane ke ka lifetime jang ki nong susnong jang ki kan te tingiran da kwe pat ke jingmut da kwe pat kapan kumno ban silok ki bru nastai bangin wanra lo ise min bos terus mang te in room saya tak pertar berper ban wanra ki jimin toy ke ba da ke silok ba ki nong sang tena ke jong ni kesen tang kita hi ka jing kenthok ke jing komen jong ni bang ni mi ha ke si lai ku trik in poi ke jing persa jing ni orang kat pat nong ilam jong ke hima el kasna ni dong kat pat kita try kendo ki bari ki nong sang jong ka song besipun tang kita